Rascal's Shadow by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. Ben was scared of a creepy shadow. Sniff was scared of a creepy shadow. Ooh, he howled. But it was only Ruff. Ruff was scared of a creepy shadow. Ooh, he howled. But it was only Shovel. Shovel was scared of a creepy shadow. Ooh, he howled. But it was only Bomber. Bomber was scared of a creepy shadow. Ooh, he howled. But it was only Rascal. Rascal was scared of a creepy shadow. Ooh, he howled. But it was only no one. Rascal ran away. The shadow ran after him. Rascal stopped. The shadow stopped. Rascal flapped his wings. The shadow flapped its wings. Rascal wagged his tail. The shadow wagged its tail. Rascal was not scared of shadows anymore. He liked them. Ooh, yes. You can find Rascal books in your school library or public library.